Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize the speed of your Shopify website pages. But before starting the tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So let's start with this tutorial. First, we need to click on apps and then we need to click on recommended apps. Over here, we need to scroll down a bit and this is the app that we are looking for. Booster Page Speed Optimizer. So click on this. If you are not getting this option then you'll need to open the Shopify App Store and then you need to search for this app Booster Page Speed Optimizer. So click on the add button in order to install the app on the Shopify store. So this process will take a little bit of time. Sometimes it takes time to load the page. So you're going to get this kind of a page. This page will ask for some information that the app is accessing on your Shopify store. So you need to click on the install app over button over here. So now the app will be successfully installed on your Shopify store and you're going to see the dashboard of the app. So there we go, the app has been successfully installed on our Shopify store. So this is the welcome page. So we can see some three steps. So first step is like to connect the app to our Shopify store. So in order to do that, we need to turn this option on. So what it says, improve the speed of your store and increase conversion by switching it on. So we need to turn it on and this will take some time and yeah, there we go. Now this blue color button is enabled, that is continue button. So we need to click on continue and then we are going to get this kind of a message. Important notice, this app preloads links to increase speed. So this what this app is going to do is that it is going to preload the links to increase the speed. So now preview your store and come back. So they are saying that you need to test the speed of the web pages. So they have given this particular link. So this is going to open the website for us. So let me show the website. So I'll navigate to some other button. So yeah, it has really improved the speed and I can see the difference. The website pages are really opening really fast. So as soon as I click, the pages are opening. So it's not even taking like more than 2 seconds to open the page. So you can see the difference how much fast the website is now opening the pages. So I hope guys you have learned how to optimize the Shopify website and see the difference how the page opens on the Shopify store. You guys can implement this functionality on your Shopify store and see the difference that is happening on the Shopify website. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. To get more videos like these, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.